When taking omega-3 fish oil capsules, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions about how to take this product, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If you're using the enteric-coated capsules, be sure to swallow them whole. However, if you're using the chewable form, make sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. For the liquid form of this medication, it's crucial to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. Some brands of this medication need to be shaken well before each use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical assistance immediately. Some possible side effects of omega-3 fish oil capsules may include a fishy aftertaste, if the product is made from fish oil, nausea, bloating, or burping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has recommended this product, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to seek medical attention right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as easy bleeding or bruising. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, particularly of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical help. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking omega-3 fish oil capsules, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to fish or peanut/soy. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if necessary and discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. It's not clear whether this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. As for the daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your doctor. The optimal timing for taking omega-3 fish oil capsules is usually with a meal to help with absorption. The benefits of taking omega-3 fish oil capsules include supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and potentially improving mental health. When taking omega-3 fish oil capsules, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure that you are using omega-3 fish oil capsules safely and effectively. As always, consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. If you suspect an overdose or serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911. Alternatively, you can also contact your local poison control center for assistance. In the US, you can reach out to the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Medical tests, like cholesterol and liver function, may be required while taking omega-3 fish oil capsules. It's important to keep all your medical and lab appointments. Be sure to consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take your omega-3 fish oil capsule at your usual time, you can take it as soon as you remember. But if it's close to the time for your next dose, it's best to just wait for the next dose. Don't take double the amount to make up for the missed dose. It's important to take the recommended dosage at the same time each day for the best results. Make sure to check the storage instructions on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Protect the capsules from light and moisture, and avoid storing them in the bathroom or freezing them. Keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the capsules, do not flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.